Hi guys, today I got a haircut. I look slick, huh? Alright, today I had a best day so far. I had burritos, I got a haircut, and guess what? Remember this? I got another one, and then today I got a new one. It isn't open yet, but it's super cool. Let me go get it. Maxie, out! It's right here. It's so cool, and just like it's gold red and has like spray things and gold rings. If you're wondering what I'm watching, I'm watching this. So yeah, that's what I'm watching. Ow! Oh, bless me. Alright, today I'm gonna open this. So I'm just... Here it is. It looks so cool. It's so fast. Almost faster than this, right? This one pretty fast. I'll show you all my fidget spinners. Ready? Gold, red, gold red with spikes and gold rings. This one has original rings on it. This one has black rings. This one has gold. This is made out of real metal. Real. Okay, I'm just gonna put this back. Put this here. Okay, I'll put it back in. See? So. Oh, hi, Hulk. Ow! Hulk, what are you doing? You never will. You beat me and you'll kill me. Ah! Hulk! Oh, I'm gonna kill you now. Hulk, stop it! You're gonna mess with my haircut. I don't give a crap. That's it. Take my punch. Oh! No, don't you dare throw me, Hulk. Hulk, 2, Hulk, don't do it. 3. Ah! Oh, ow, 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 ow. Oh, what is this? A fidget spinner. Hey, that's new and exclusive. So, guys, he got my fidget spinner. Let me stick these. Dude, yeah. Ow, 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 ow. Here. Things are cool. I really want this. No, Hulk, you're just gonna destroy it. I'll be right back, guys. Oh, ow, ow, ow. Guys, I'm gonna go put these fidget spinners somewhere, okay? Hey, Hulk? What you there? Uh-oh. Have you? Guys, Hulk's trying to kill me. I don't know why. I still have my oh, ow, ow, ow. Why do you keep throwing me home? Cause you kept throwing me. No. Ah! Guys, I need to go. Please. That's it. Die, Hulk. I'm not that home. I need to end this video before he wakes up. Hold on. Too late. Oh God. He keeps throwing me. I don't know why. Peace. Click that like button. Peace.